Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to calculate the value of perpetual preferred stock in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so without spending more time, let's get started. Alright, you can see we have a question, and based on this question, we will extract the data from this question statement here, and then we will calculate some working note, that is these two things, and then based on this and this, we will calculate the value of preferred stock, and then based on this result, we will identify the status, and based on this status, we will make the decision. Okay, so first let's extract the data as per stated name here. Okay, so first, par value, we can see that we have 50 rupees par value. Alright, so I'm going to put 50 rupees. And remember one thing, generally the par value of preferred stock or equity is 100, but in this question we have 50 rupees, so here I have put the 50 rupees here. Alright, now for dividend rate, you can see that the 12% is preferred stock. That means that this is our dividend rate, so here I'm going to put 12. Okay, and you can see that I have changed the format in these two cells from general to percentage form. Okay, so the value is showing in percentage form. Now for cost of preferred stock, you can see this 11%, so I'm going to put 11% here, and here the payment mode is showing in the drop down list. So here I'm going to select annually because there is not mentioned in the questions, so in default we can select annually. Now for periodic dividend rate, we can calculate it by using the if function, okay, based on the payment mode. So here I'm going to quickly make it because I have already shown you in the previous video that how to calculate the periodic rate. It doesn't matter whether it is the periodic dividend or periodic cost rate or whatever the rate. The periodic rate will be calculated same as previous technique that I show you in the previous video. Okay, so here I'm going to calculate it. So press the equal to sign, tap the if function, now press tab, and now let's make the argument. If this equals to annually, then what will happen? Yes, this divide by 1. Otherwise, let's make the another function by copy this one and paste it here, and just rename this one from annually to semi-annually, and let's change the value from 1 to 2. And similarly for other, just paste it and just change from annually to quarterly. And now let's change the value from 1 to 4 and so on. So here I'm going to quickly make it and show you. Now let's press the close parenthesis exactly total number of if. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if. So I'm going to press 5 close parenthesis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see. Now for periodic dividend rate, it can be calculated by simply multiplying the periodic dividend rate to the par value. So here I'm going to press the equal to sign. Now click this one times this one, and now press the enter key. Now for value of preferred stock, it can be calculated by using this formula displaying here. So press the equal to sign, and now select this one, divide by this one, that is cost of preferred stock, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see. Now based on this result, let's identify the status, whether it is overvalued, undervalued, or correctly valued. Okay, so it can be identified by comparing this value to this value. Okay, so here I'm going to make it by using if function. If this is greater than this, then what will happen? Overvalued. Similarly for other condition, let's copy this one by pressing the Ctrl C, and now paste it here by pressing the Ctrl V. And now let's change the sign from greater than to less than. If this will less than this, then what will happen? Undervalued. Otherwise, correctly valued. Now press the double quotation marks, and now let's press the 2 close parentheses to close the if statement. 1, 2, and now press the enter key. Alright, now for decision, it can be made based on this one. So here I'm going to use if function to show the decision. So press the equal to sign. Now press the type the if function. Now let's make the condition. If this equals to overvalued, then what will happen? Yes, we should buy the preferred stock, comma, otherwise what will happen? Let's make the another condition by copy this. Okay, and now click here and now press Ctrl V to paste it. And now let's change the word from over to under. And now let's change the condition. We should sell the preferred stock. Otherwise, what will happen? We should hold the preferred stock. Now press the 2 close parentheses to close the if statement. 1 2 and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see we should buy the preferred stock. Alright, okay, so guys, it's a very easy to calculate it. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Signing off.